Justication. Now, repeat after me. Justication. Justication. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning, justification, a combination of the words justification and vacation. It refers to a vacation you take to justify a decision you've made or an action you've taken. It's like treating yourself to a break as a reward or to feel better about something. Think of it like this. If you just quit your job, a justification might be a vacation you take to justify that big life change, like, I deserve this. In a sentence, after leaving his high-stress job, he took a justification to Bali to relax and reset. In this sentence, justification is the vacation that follows the big decision. Let's try another example. She booked a justification after completing her long and exhausting project. Now, let's talk about words that mean the same thing. Some fun synonyms of justification are reward trip, a vacation taken as a treat for something you've accomplished. Breakcation, a vacation meant to take a mental or physical break after a big decision. Self-care getaway, a vacation focused on caring for yourself after something significant. Antonyms, the opposite of justification would be words like work trip, a trip that's focused on business or responsibilities, not relaxation. Obligation, when you travel for a required or expected reason, not as a reward. So while justification is about rewarding yourself, these words describe trips taken out of necessity or duty. Part of speech. Justification is a noun, which means it refers to a thing or concept, a vacation that serves as a justification. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.